Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to get symbols on keyboard and Android. Getting symbols on your Android keyboard is easy and useful for texting, passwords, and special messages. Most Android keyboards already include symbols that you can access with one or two taps. The exact layout may differ depending on your phone brand or keyboard app. To begin, unlock your Android phone and open the home screen. Open any app where you can type, such as Messages or Notes app. Tap the text box to make the keyboard appear. Look for the 123 key on the keyboard. Tap the 123 to switch from letters to numbers and symbols. Browse the first page of common symbols shown. Tap a symbol to insert it into the text box. Look for this symbol or second symbols key. Tap it to open more symbol options. Browse extra symbols like brackets, currency signs, or math marks. Tap and hold certain keys to reveal hidden symbols. Try holding letters or punctuation keys for more choices. Now return to letters by tapping ABC or the letter key. Practice using symbols until you can find them quickly. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.